5 life-saving information you can include in your Help You Find This data section. Number 1, personal information. Here you can include your phone number, your home address, your employer, also physical appearance like height, weight, eye colors, piercing, and more. Number 2, relationships. Share who is your mother, who is your father, who is your brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, and more. Number 3, frequently visited location. Here you can include all the places you frequently visit, like supermarket, malls, cafeterias, and more. Number 4, health information. Here you can share who is your primary doctor, your dentist, or therapist. And number 5, vehicle information. Here you can include your car model, year, color, and license plate. In an emergency situation, this information can be critical to assist your family members and authorities. So, if you haven't created your Help You Find Me account, this is the moment to do it. Be safe and found with Help You Find Me.